All right, everybody, we're back. We've got a short little video today. We're gonna put a new muffler on the Jeep. I've already started, done a lot of the work, didn't really document it. That kind of welding stuff's out there, but I'll show you what I did, and you maybe a copy of what I did if that works in your application. Here we go. I started by cutting out the old exhaust, cutting off the old hangers, literally from each end of the old muffler, cut the hangers off, and I applied them to the new muffler. What I got here is a Flowmaster FX, little short muffler, 2.5 inch in, 2.5 inch out. Replaces the muffler that lives in this entire area right here. So it frees up a bunch of room for activities. And you can see how I used one side of the muffler hanger here, and then I used the other side of it to the back of the frame rail here. Welded it on there, welded it onto the muffler there, welded the muffler together where I cut it off. So I still have a clamp here where I can take the whole muffler section off, but it's just this little shorty Flowmaster muffler in here now. I'll go ahead and start it up for you guys. So got a nice muffler, tucks up nice and tight to the bumper, almost behind that D-ring, and it's all stainless steel. Pretty nice piece. I think it was like 45-50 bucks on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description below. And for the rubber isolator that I put in there too, it's just a factory Mopar piece, I believe, or a aftermarket piece I found on Rock Auto. All right, now we're gonna get it fired up for you guys. Give that nice cold start sound.
Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.